Hello guys, welcome to the course of Adobe Premiere Pro Beginner to Expert. In this lesson, I am going to discuss about adjustment layer. So what is an adjustment layer? Adjustment layer is the layer by which we can apply effects and presets on the layer so that we don't need to change anything to our original footage. We can use adjustment layer to change anything on a single clip or multiple clip to change the footages without changing the original one. We can create adjustment layer by right click here, new item, and then click adjustment layer. After the window comes up, then we'll click OK. Then we'll drag and drop the adjustment layer in video track 2. Then we'll increase the duration of the adjustment layer, the portion which we need to change. So here we have applied first color corrector effect on this footage only. So if we cut this first color corrector effect and paste it on the adjustment layer, the color correction effect will be applied on the portion of the second footage and the third footage. First color corrector effect was just applied on this footage only. So when we apply first color corrector effect on the adjustment layer, it will be applied on this portion only. So when we hide the video layer 2, we can see the difference, and if we unhide this, we can see that the effect has been applied on this duration. We can change the duration of the adjustment layer, so therefore the effect will be applied on the total length of these clips. If we unhide this, we can see the difference. Now we can change the duration of this adjustment layer. We trim it down. If we want to apply only this portion, we can trim it down to this. So that's how we can use the adjustment layer, apply effects and presets, and modify our footages without changing the original footage. So that's it for today. We'll meet up with a new topic in next lesson. Thank you.